Every cycle begins with a vision. Our precision orbital mapping ensures the foundation.
The arrival of resources marks the birth of an era. Thousands of automated landers touch down, delivering the skeletal structure of our future home.
Efficiency is our primary language. A synchronized army of machines prepares to reshape the silent dust.
To build above, we must understand what lies beneath. Each sample taken is a promise of stability for the massive structures to come.
In the darkness of space, we bring the light of progress. A grid of precision.
Accuracy is the cornerstone of survival. Thousands of surveyors work as one, mapping the future footprint of humanity's reach.
We reshape the surface to serve our needs. This massive transformation is the first step toward a permanent presence on the moon. The bond with home must never be broken. Our communication network ensures that while we are far, we are never alone.
In the harsh environment of space, protection is paramount. We safeguard our technology as we safeguard our future.
Quality is the foundation of longevity. Every block is a testament to our commitment to build a home that will never fall.
Deep beneath the silent dust, our journey into the lunar core begins. Every grain of moon dust is a building block for our future.
We turn natural lunar caves into fortified bunkers of safety. Our automated spiders weave.
A city is only as strong as the bones that hold it.
The gateway between the void and the vibrant. Our precision engineering creates the seals that keep the cold of space at bay, while
beneath the surface, we create the veins of our city. Thousands of specialized drones burrow deep. We bring the fire of the sun to the depths of the moon. Our fusion cores provide
Purity essential for a new beginning. We clear the ancient dust of millions of millions of...
We build with the moon, for the moon. Our automated printers turn raw minerals into the elegant pathways.
Safety is our silent guardian. A relentless verifies every inch of our work.
We turn the very soil of the moon into a shield for humanity. Our massive 3D printing army weaves a layer.
Strength is woven into every inch of our architecture. These carbon fiber veins are printed. Clarity meets durability in our final design. We polish our lunar shells to a mirror.
The seal is our life. We bond our structures to the lunar bedrock with advanced...
We bring the light of the sun without its danger. Our specialized lead glass windows are the Unity is the strength of our design. Thousands of drones fuse our modules together, turning separate structures into a...
We build the lungs of a new world. Each life support unit is a...
Balance is the key to survival in the extremes of space. Our thermal shields wrap our city in a protective embrace. We build with beauty and resilience. Ensures our city remains steady.
The shell is complete. A monument of glass and grit, our lunar metropolis stands ready to welcome its first...
Taming the sun is the first step toward survival. Our vast solar arrays stretch across the lunar...
Every watt is a promise of a future. Our automated grid connects the harvest of the...
Life finds a way, guided by our hand. Thousands of botanical units initiate the first lunar forest.
Nature is our most advanced technology. Our massive hydroponic systems work tirelessly, creating...
We harvest the breath of life from the lunar soil. Our extraction plants work day and night. Water is the foundation of all civilization. By melting
constant vigilance ensures constant life. Our automated network monitors every drop, ensuring that
the wind of the moon is a wind of our own making.
We create the atmosphere, the breeze, and name the climate.
To live here, we must know every mood of the moon. Our environmental grid provides the data we need to protect our citizens from the elements of space.
The moon begins to beat. With power and life secured, we stand on the threshold of a new...
We pave the way for a new era. Our automated builders turn raw lunar dust into a network of glass highways.
Distance is a challenge we have conquered. These silver rails are the backbone of our transit, allowing us to move at incredible speed.
Efficiency is the soul. Our silent maglev network pulses with the energy of progress. No obstacle is too great for our ambition. We bridge the deep divides of the moon, turning dangerous...
We move through the heart of the moon. Our tunnels pierce the Ain Mountains, creating a protected subterranean network.
Maintenance is our silent oath. An army of drones monitors every inch of our transit, ensuring that the flow of our civilization is never...
Logistics is the heartbeat of growth. Our massive hubs move the building blocks of our future, ensuring that every resource is exactly where it needs to be.
Navigation is our guiding light. Our travel possibility.
Information is the bridge between us. Our connect every corner of the moon.
Connectivity is complete.
A new way of living begins within our protected walls. Our vertical cities. Comfort is the ultimate triumph of engineering. We haven't just built a base, we have created a home. The first steps into a new chapter are always the most meaningful. The lungs of our city are a work of art. Our artificial forests provide the oxygen and knowledge is the fuel for our future. Our children learn the secrets of the cosmos in the heart of...
Sustainability is our greatest achievement. Our markets overflew with the harvest of the moon, proving that we can thrive and prosper independently of our home planet. We are the eyes of humanity in the dark. From the clear look deeper into the universe than ever.
Our city is a masterpiece of light and motion, even in the lunar night.
We did not build this alone. This city is a monument to the partnership between...
We forge the future from the dust of the moon. Our massive industrial plants never sleep, turning raw...
The moon's true wealth lies deep beneath its skin. Thousands of industrial drills reach...
Production is the engine of our growth. Our automated factories stamp the mark of humanity onto every piece.
We fuel two worlds with the power of the moon. These massive refineries convert lunar mineral.
Gravity is no longer a cage. Our massive electromagnetic rails launch the wealth of the moon back to Earth.
We build the chariots of the gods here. Our lunar shipyards are the starting point.
Massive power require massive effort. Our transporters move the heart of our industry, ensuring that every corner of our... We see the universe through the work of our hands. Our glass factories turn the gray moon dust into the... Our resources are our strength. A tireless network of drones moves the wealth of the moon from storage to the stars, fueling...
Join us, we've got hearts.
Security is our silent guardian. Thousands of automated turrets stand watch on the lunar ridges.
We turn light into a shield. Our precision laser network intercepts every threat before it touches our soil.
To live here, we must sense the unseen. Our environmental grid
is our foundation. Our submarine shelters are built to withstand the unthinkable, ensuring the safety of no matter...
Vigilance is the price of peace. Our automated patrols roam the silent plains, ensuring that the boundaries of our new...
We are the masters of our domain. From this hub, we monitor the heartbeat of the moon.
Resilience is woven into our work. Our repair swarms ensure that even the smallest crack is healed instantly.
We protect the flow of information. Our shielding arrays ensure that our
The ring is complete. Our orbital defense ensures that our safe, secure, and ready for the future.
Life finds a home in the dust. Our massive vertical farms turn recycled minerals into the golden harvest of tomorrow.
Nature is our most advanced technology. Our massive misting systems nurture the first lunar forests.
We rebuild the harmony of Earth. Thousands of specialized drones.
Abundance is the result of precision. Our automated harvesters work day and night, bringing the fresh taste of nature.
We built the lungs of a new world. Each life tree is a vital heartbeat.
Nothing is wasted in our star's life. Our automated systems recycle every...
Harmony is our ultimate goal. Our massive aquaponic systems create a thriving world beneath the surface.
We nurture the seeds of our future. Every plant is cared for with robotic precision, ensuring that our lunar
Sustainability is our greatest achievement. From advanced industry to the ancient wild nature, we have turned...
How do we feed a world? Join us and be part of the most breathtaking...
Discovery is our constant mission.
We are the ears of humanity.
To master the stars, we must master the atom. Our massive lunar collision, the founder.
The moon is an ancient library of secrets. Our automated geosts read the history.
In the low gravity of the moon, we heal the human spirit.
We watch the star that feeds us. Our solar observatories provide the data we need.
We gather the fragments of the universe. Thousands of automated landers bring the treasures of deep space.
Knowledge is our ultimate power. Our massive data centers process the signals of the stars, turning raw in...
We are the bridge to the stars. From advanced industry to the deepest scientific mysteries.
The frontier is calling. Join us as we push further into the dark, turning the...
Gravity is our playground. Our massive dreams of a new age.
To life. Explore the ancient mysteries of our new home. From deep lava tubes to jagged peaks, we offer the most breathtaking...
Find peace in the heart of the moon. Our advanced aquatic centers.
Beauty is the final frontier of our design. We build with elegant...
We build the rooms that welcome the world. Thousands of luxury suites rise every cycle, ensuring that every traveler finds...
Celebrate the triumph of the human spirit. Our ballrooms under the stars are the stage for our most...
The journey is the reward. From advanced industry to the height of luxury, we invite you to experience the ultimate.
Join us and be part of the most breathtaking...
The mind is our greatest frontier. Thousands of automated classrooms nurture the curiosity of a new generation.
We are the guardians of human heritage. Our massive lunar libraries protect...
Theory meets reality on the moon.
Our advanced laboratories provide the stage for a new
Excellence. Excellence is our primary goal. Educators and students building an institution that's...
Our massive center the preferred the training.
Innovation is born from the forge. Our engineering academies turn the raw potential of our students into the technical brilliance that drives our...
We are the eyes of the cosmos. By educating our youth on the edge of the universe,
Knowledge flows as freely as energy. Our automated campus network ensures that every student has...
The journey of those destiny.
The future is learned.
The moon is our gateway to the infinite. Our massive spaceports stand ready. We fuel the journey with the power of stars. Our automated grid moves the energy.
Distance is now a destination.
We are the center of the global economy. Our massive logistics network moves.
Information is our guiding light. Our communication network monitors every ship and every signal. We break the chains of gravity forever. Our massive launch rails propel the next generation of explorers into the dark.
Safety is the foundation of our reach. Every vessel is checked by a tireless army of drones, ensuring that every soul...
We are the masters of the cosmic highway. From this hub, we monitor the heartbeat of our expansion.
The journey has truly begun. From advanced industry to the threshold. Where next? Join us as we take the next giant leap beyond the moon.
we are the guardians of life's blueprint. Deep, we protect the essence of every...
To know where we are going, we must remember where we began. Our lunar museum's gratitude is our eternal light. We carve the names of our pioneers into the very rock of the...
Culture is our collective soul. Our massive lunar archives protect the creative... We speak to the future across the ages. These capsules are our message to those who will follow.
The light of progress never fades.
We find our place in the cosmic story. This sanctuary.
Unity is our final triumph. On this silent rock, we have built a foundation of peace that will... We are part of the eternal light. From advanced industry to the ultimate preservation of our soul. The moon was our cradle, but the stars are our destiny. Our massive ships depart daily.
We have turned the void into a bridge. From this lunar heart, we monitor the...
One small step led us here. One giant leap will take us further. We bring the light of the sun to darkest corners.
Security and life are one. Our massive energy shields wrap our world.
The work of 1,000 years is complete. Our lunar metropolis is now a permanent...
From advanced industry to the ultimate preservation of our spirit, the beautiful story of the moon continues.
Mission complete. 150 steps to infinity.